Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, we're going to see about Git and Java installation. In previous videos, I have shown about PowerShell 7 installation, VS Code, Azure Shell, and Azure PowerShell, and Python 3x, 3.12 like that we have installed and done that, and also Notepad also. In this video, we are going to install about Git and Java. These both softwares I can install by using Chocolate is there, but instead of going to Chocolate, it's like package manager. If you go to my YouTube channel, let me show it in private mode. Let me type my um, name here. You can see here. You can see here. I have done some installations related over here. And if I go to my previous installations, I have demonstrated about what is Chocolatey and what is how to install Chocolatey, and I have done that. And using Chocolatey, how can we install some of the applications also I have demonstrated in these videos. So you can go ahead and check on this. But, but I will do it from manual method. Now with this video, I'm going to show on manual basis how I can install Git SCM download. If I click on Windows, it's showing like 2.42. Let me click on download. My system is Windows 64-bit. I'm going with 64 Windows setup. .exe file is going to install. And meanwhile, let me go with the Java installation. Before going ahead, and I wanted to show you in PowerShell or command prompt, I just wanted to show you whether I have Git software or not. Git is not recognizable. And I installed Java hyphen version. If I just install type this command, here you can see the Java version is not recognized over here. So you can observe Git has been installed. Let me open it. Yeah, yeah. Click on this. Click on next. I'm going to default space, and I don't want shortcut. I will work. I will mention these default things, and Git bash profile. It's newly come up thing. I will put this because it's well and good to have on terminal itself. Where itself it will like here and down arrow. It will additionally it will add Git over here. That's what the meaning in the setup it was mentioned here. Newly add a Git bash profile to Windows terminal. That's how it will looks like. I will go with the default again, and I don't want start menu folder. I'm going with the default only. Default. I never. Okay, let me go ahead and open Git over here. GitHub. Let me sign into GitHub so that to get a clarity. Yeah, it's been signed up. Whenever I was clicking to create some repository, Git sample like that I was creating it. It's been available, not a problem. And whenever I create this repository, you can see it's asking about main branch. We will stick with it main branch. Or sometimes if you're working with Azure DevOps, you might be seeing the request like your master branch, something like that, they will be following. So if they are following that mechanism in our organizations, mainly they will follow master branch like that. Let me change it to master. because I am not interested in main branch. Let me put it into master branch so that I can utilize it properly. Uh, install, install, next, next, next. I will go with the defaults. Default one, oil or credential manager. Yep, I need it. Next. No, I don't want this. Step. I don't want to check this. Let me click on install. Okay, meanwhile, let's go ahead and install about the Java. Java install, download Java for Windows. I click on this. It's showing like 8th version. But recently, Oracle has introduced the latest version, which is called as 21. 21 is the latest version. If I click on Java downloads, you can see here Java 20 JDK-21 is the latest long-term support release of Java SE platform. Meanwhile, you can see here my taskbar is highlighted, work it has been successfully done. Let me uncheck this. Let me click on finish. Let me type a git bash. You can see here it's been installed like this. Whatever commands I want, I can create utilize it. Let me close this. And we have already opened terminal. Now if I type git, it's not showing like that. Okay, next to open our PowerShell in the next window, next tab window like that. Let's type git. Yeah, it's been there. Git hyphen version. You can see here. These are all the git commands are there. Whenever I started git tutorials, I will explain all these commands. What's the purpose and how can we utilize it. I will make a video of it and I will publish it to the YouTube channel very soon. Maybe I will do that. Okay, we will go ahead and install about JDK-21 because it is a LTS version. So we will be going ahead and install .exe version will be there. Windows, yeah, this was I was looking. You can see here Linux different versions are there. Mac OS different versions are there. DMG installer is there. DMG installer 64 compressed archive is there. When it comes to Windows, we have compressed archive x64 installer and MSI installer. I'm going with the default this one x64 installer. Let me click on this. It's going to be installed here. Downloading it. It's totally of 164 MB. 164 MB is the process. Officially, like in organizations, you will not able to install JDK software without subscription. So that's why they are mentioning about SC subscription. For our open source perspective, for our personal use perspective, we can use this JDK-21. But for organization enterprise applications, if you wanted to build it, they will ask you to go ahead and develop with JDK-21 with the Java SE subscription. That's what they will be going to ask. I think it's been downloaded. Let me click on open file. You can see it's been downloaded. It's coming here. Two times it's asking. So that's the reason I stopped one. I clicked on yes one time. Yeah, it's installing. Preparing to install. Yep. Let me put some ad page. Yeah, you can see here. Welcome to the Java installation of Java SE Development Kit 21. If I click on next, install like this. I wanted to change this directory to uh, here. I don't want to install in program files. I will mention like Java JDK-21. Otherwise, I will remove this one also, not a problem. JDK-21, let it be like that. I wanted to install Java 17, Java 19 versions also. For those reasons, I was mentioning this like that. Let me click on next. It's going to be installing. The Java has been successfully installed. As you can see, if you click on next steps, it will redirect to documentation, developer guides, release notes, and this stuff. Let me click on close, and let me open the here itself. Let me type Java, clear the screen, and then type Java hyphen version. It's not recognized like it was showing. Let me open this new PowerShell, and then let me type Java hyphen version. Yeah, you can see here the Java has been successfully installed. Java has been successfully installed over here. So for our purposes, if I wanted to work with Java, I wanted to create some new sample program. Let me do this. I will open in Notepad. Notepad. You can see in last video, previous videos, if you can observe, I just typed this information. It automatically comes up with this. Okay, let me write the program. Class, I will print it as my name. Let me increase the font so that it will be better visible. I'm just printing out my name. Let me print it out. Out.println. I just print it out. I'm printing out like this. Let me save this. Let me save this file into D drive. Let me clear the screen. As you can see, PIR. You can see the file name on the Java is there. Let me execute this. Java C mother.java. It's been compiled. You can see it's been printed out over here. And one more thing, it's been previously if you are installing Java, it's not recognizing about environment variables, but environment variables issue has been latest dedicated software versions. It's been resolved. If I can open my C drive, I can open my C drive. This PC, you can see JDK-21. Both the versions will be there, like JRE and the JDK will be there. So you can observe Java is there. JDK will also be available. And all the things will be available over here. This part has been installed automatically. I mean, it has been edited in the environment variables. If I click on environment variables, you can observe the path. Okay, let me open it. Okay, let me read it. Here itself will show, but this path variable, it's really going to install it. I think I need to open it. Environment variables. Let me go to settings. ENV. Yeah, you can see it. You can see here, defaultly the Java path has been recognized already. So that was the reason Java software it's recognizing here. So that's all for this video, guys. That's all for this video. Let me close this. You can see I have done about the Git installation and Java version also. You can observe here, which was the LTS latest version, which was Java released version is 7.17.10, 21.0.1. This is the version. Okay. That's all for this video, guys. I hope you like the content which I was sharing here. Please click on like button so that I can get more views and I can able to, it motivates me and I'm able to create more videos on this. Thank you.